Hey guys, Sam from Toromont Cat. So, new season comes, new challenges for your machines. Really important, first things first, is a machine coming out of a long break? And if it's the case, make sure to start it up. See if the motor is working well. Hey, do I have my coolant temperature? Do I have the right oil pressure? And after that, why not look at the batteries? Are the batteries nice and hold in place? Do you have good connections? Is there some contaminations? Maybe put a bit of grease on those poles. And your master switch. The master switch, is it functional not only for the life of your battery and making sure that it's all not sucked up, but also for the security of everybody that's going to be working on the side to be able to close all those energies to zero. Now, make sure also for the winter season that all the oils are going to be the right oils. Your transmissions, some transmissions are going to need different requirements. And last but not the least, when it comes to your grease, there's greases that are specifically designed for winter conditions. Make sure to go see your Toromont branch to be able to get that. Batteries, one of the most important things if you want to make sure during the cold times that your machine is going to start. What I would really recommend before you put the machine on the road in the cold season, make sure that this is clean, that your poles are going to be free from any rust, from any different contaminants. And once it's all clean, a bit of grease is going to go a long way. You put it back there and you put it tightly. You're going to be certain that your machine is going to be much better off in the cold season. Okay guys, another technician telling you, please change your filters. Super important during winter season. Now, it's always important, but during the winter season, we know that our machines are working in difficult conditions. With the frozen temperatures also, your oil isn't going to circulate as easily. So doing those maintenance are going to make sure that your machine is going to be working long and hard. So even if you're in the thick of it, don't be shy to give us a ring. It's always going to be a pleasure for Toromont to go exactly where your machine is at. We have a team dedicated for it, and we're going to fix it where it needs to be done, and we're going to do the preventive maintenance where it needs to be done. Your primary fuel filter is always going to have a water separator. Super important to check every day. Very important also during the cold season. So what you're going to do is just unscrew here. You're going to let the water go out. And from the moment you see the fuel coming out, you just retighten it and you're set. You know you don't have water in your fuel system. But why the little light, Sam? Well, really simple. It's an indicator that Caterpillar put there to be able to tell you guys my after treatment, all of the depth that's going to be in it. Well, is it still there? The light is going to tell you that no, it's primed, everything is okay. So by closing your master, you're making sure that all of that depth won't freeze in places where you really don't want it to freeze.